I want to also thank you for your kind words. Mr. President, I want to say with due respect that you are the President of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and I respect you, sir. Mr. President, with due respect and without prejudice to some achievements that Mr. President has made, I want to say that no matter the number that are here, we are capable of holding our own. You said all politics are local. Those who are gravitating towards the majority side are exercising their rights. But my brother and friend, Kevin, who has just left the third row here to go to the last row there, I wish him good luck. But Mr. President, when it was announced that he was going, and he said he had made adequate consultations, I asked a question. Who has he consulted? Because he didn't talk to me. And I do know that because all politics are local, my brother came here on the obedient movement. He came here on a sympathy vote because an accident happened. But that is a story for another day. So, Mr. President, I want to say that this house is becoming too full, and it should be some concern to you. It should be some concern to you. So on that note, I want to say, for the rest of us that are here, Mr. President, we are satisfied that we are still here. And we will try to remain here until 2027. Thank you, Mr. President.
Well, if Senator Abba Moro, my mother said that she would never say that nobody should die in the war, but at the same time, she would never say that heaven should be empty. Because if nobody dies, then heaven will be empty. God created heaven for people to go there after living good lives on earth. I want a strong and vibrant opposition in Nigeria, but where they are not able to organize themselves and all the political parties are in tatters, then the right thing for them to do is to join me and join Mr. President so that we can together move this country forward. We are not going to have one-party system. That is why INEC is registering more parties. Please put your house in order. I have been looking at the way you are getting depleted on a daily basis, and I am in total sympathy with what is going on. The PDP is on the ground. The umbrella is torn. The Labour Party is scattered. The Accord Party is no more. ADC crashed. ADC even crashed before it took off. So I would like to give you a right of response, not to lament on the loss of Senator Kelvin Chukwu, but to congratulate my colleagues on this side of the aisle on gaining a strong senatorial district in Enugu, and that's Enugu East of Enugu State. Senator Abba Moro, do you have anything to say? If you don't have anything to say, we move on. So you have an observation. Please proceed.